Hi guys! Today, we'll show you how to fix the Instagram white screen issue on your iPhone with a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, unlock your phone and swipe down to open the control center. Check your internet connection and make sure it's stable. If the connection is unstable, reconnect to a reliable Wi-Fi or mobile data network and try opening Instagram again. If the white screen is still showing, open the App Store. Tap the search bar and search for Instagram. Once Instagram appears, look for the update button on the right side. If an update is available, tap Update and wait for the app to finish updating. If the issue is still not fixed, open the Settings app. Tap General, then select iPhone Storage. Scroll through the apps and find Instagram. Tap it to open the app storage settings. Tap Offload app and then reinstall Instagram. This refreshes the app while keeping its documents and data. Once Instagram is reinstalled, open it again and check if the white screen issue has been fixed. And that's how you can fix the Instagram white screen issue on iPhone. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment for more simple tutorials.